Number 1. Nextbase 622GW Dash Cam. It is K2GW 4K Dash Cam with an abundance of the world's first, which includes image stabilization, what 3 words, and wonderful 4K photo quality. The 622GW is the most in-demand dash cam in the world today. There is nothing extra disturbing than making an attempt to explain to the insurance plan corporation that the accident wasn't your fault. No one remembers what type of tangled net of lies the 1-3 celebration is attempting to weave. Well now, the proof is in the camera. Recording in 4K quality, this tech dashcam permits you to film and capture and effortlessly switch pictures from the gadget to your smartphone or domestic PC. It makes use of a magnetic pad to invulnerable itself to the dashboard, and it tracks your GPS and speed to make sure everything's fair and square on every occasion you take place to have an accident. Specifications: resolution 4K. Sensor: yes. LCD screen 3 inches. Reasons to purchase: wide viewing angle. Polarizing filter reduces glare for the high-quality picture. Basic features of a dashcam: auto start and auto recording. Having a dashcam turn on robotically and begin recording is the primary function of a dashcam. Loop recording: all our dashcams record onto a detachable micro SD card. Memory capacity: secure attachment. Field of view: audio recording. Number 2. Tilemate. It can easily find your phone and keys, considered one of the best car accessories. Mate is a new modern-day structure and additionally comes in black, with a greater variety and longer-lasting battery. Attach Mate to daily things like keys and bags, and use our free app to detect them. Keep a record of extra for much less with our multi-packs, or provide them to your buddies and household as a gift. Main features: up to 250 FT76M Bluetooth range, up to 3-year non-replaceable battery, water resistant, works with Android and Apple devices, voice-assisted discovery with Alexa, Google, and Siri. Attach and go. The main specifications of Tilemate are: connection, Bluetooth type, GPS locator, battery life, 1 year. Reasons to buy: use your smartphone to get your keys. Use the Tilemate to discover your smartphone. While the bloke from Britain's Got Talent might also have loved his 15 minutes of reputation, can't keep in mind where my keys, where my phone. Look it up on YouTube. It'll blow your mind. We recognize solely too properly the frustration of genuinely misplacing them. This accessible system attaches to your keys. You can ring them from your smartphone or seek advice from the app to see when they've been ultimately seen. You can additionally press the button on the Tilemate itself, and it'll ring your phone, and it'll even make noise on silent mode. Handy. Number 3. Tivi Sub Car Charger. The Tivi USB charger is one of the most compact vehicle chargers on the market, with a slimline design, which sits nearly flush with the area of the outlet. It'll permit you to concurrently charge 2 gadgets at full velocity with 2.4 in every USB port. The aluminum case appears extra top class than the plastic alternatives on the market, and the scratch resistance technology maintains it, making it new. The Tivi charger has a variety of protection guarantees and comes with a 12-month producer warranty. Specifications: connection, USB X2, power, 2.4 in every USB port. Material, speedy charging at a full speed, can charge a gadget from 0% battery to 80% battery in 1 hour. It sports a compact and Wi-Fi format to store space in your vehicle and to make sure you don't get tangled in a bunch of wires. Great for maintaining your electronics charged on an outdoor trip. Test out the AP Auto Car Trash Storage Pockets, every other avenue outing pleasant accessory. Number 4. Firefly Bluetooth Music Receiver. The Firefly wirelessly streams with Bluetooth 4 to an unobstructed vary of 10 33 feet. It supports the popular SBC compression and is well matched with MP3 and ACC audio formats. Pairing is speedy and easy. The Firefly will receive 2 connections at an identical time and consider up to 8 devices. There's no built-in microphone for hands-free calls. Instead, the Firefly will robotically switch over to the smartphone or Bluetooth headset for the period of the call. Add Bluetooth to your vehicle audio device with Firefly, the world's tiniest track receiver. Firefly permits you to flow a song from your smartphone to any gadget with an aux input. Just plug Firefly into your audio device and a USB power source. and pair it with your smartphone. Once paired, Firefly will take note of your system and auto-connect each time you are close by. Main specifications include power, USB, type, Bluetooth transmitter, phone name compatible, yes. Reasons to buy: slim, elegant design, simple use. The Firefly Bluetooth music receiver has proved very reliable and convenient to use. It comes properly introduced with extraordinary RC and IUX cables included. Its compact size makes it perfect for use in a car, particularly if you decide no longer to have calls routed tournament or political disaster. With the Firefly Bluetooth music receiver hooked up, I can get off the media teach and board the Soul Instruct instead.